This week, I want to share an app I've just discovered, and it sounds such fun. I couldn't wait to tell you all about it. The app is Text to Image. This is Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. So let's go over to my Canva screen and I'll show you where you find it and how you can use it. We're on my Canva homepage, and if I scroll down, click on the Discover Apps button. I found this one under Discover Content. I found it here. It is in beta, and when an app is in beta, it means that it may be different when you actually see it later on, or when they finalize it, it might work slightly differently. But I thought it'd be fun to try now. You click on it, and it opens up, and either you can use it in an existing design or use in a new design. And I'm going to use it in a new design. And I think I'll do it as a square Instagram post, which is what I usually choose. You can see it's opened up the app. And now it says describe the image you want to see. You type in this box here. It does have some ideas to give you inspiration. I could add these and click on those, but let's think of something different. I typed in surfer on a big wave on a sunny day, as actually I've lived very close to a whole surfing community, although I'm not a surfer myself. You can now scroll down and you have the option of choosing your style. You can see surprise me, photo, drawing, 3D, painting, a pattern, or concept art. I'm going to show you all of these. Let's start with the photo. You just choose your option and then click on Generate Image. It does take a bit of time to think about it and come up with it, but it is quite an amazing tool. I think this is fantastic. It can take about 20 seconds. I'll show you this and wait the whole time the first time, but next time around, I'll just cut that out of the video so you won't be wasting too much time, but you'll still see the effects. And you can see this is amazing. Let's come up with one. Looks like he's fallen off his board. If I click on that, it'll add it to my image. I'll just make it larger so you can see it. Let's try another one. I'm going to go back, and as you can see now, the text to image app is now on my left-hand column. We did come up with another one. It does take some time to do these. Canva are asking you to report the images if they don't seem right, but these are very good. You can then choose to start again. I'm going to click on Start Again and choose a different style. And this time I'll choose a drawing style and then Generate Image. And I'll cut this bit out for you this time. These are drawings. There's someone actually doing the drawing. And this one, click on this one and make it bigger. Let's try again. Start again. Scroll along. Let's try a 3D option. Not quite sure how well this will work. Let's take a look. These are really good fun. Let's click on that one so you can see it properly. If I just wanted to change it while I was still in there, I could just click on Start Again. Let's go back, Start Again. The painting this time. And these are great too. I like the colours on this one best. And just a couple more effects to try. We're now trying pattern. Ooh, these are very interesting. This one. They've all gone into my images and my uploads as well. So I want to go back and use any of them again, I can. I think we've just got one more left to do. And then we'll try the surprise me. And then we'll do the concept art. And that looks great as well. This is a huge wave. Another in Portugal wave, they have 100-foot waves. To the side so you can see it properly. And then just try one more time. Start again. And then click on Surprise Me. And see what we get. Again, I really do like them. So let's click on this one. And you can see it larger. I have tried this with different ideas and different text in. I did a horse one, and I did one with witches, and they've come up with some great ideas. This is a fantastic little app. As I said, it's called Text to Image, and I think it would be great fun to use if you need some inspiration. A really easy way of visualizing what you want to use in a post. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please click on the notify button below in YouTube and follow us. We'd love to see you, and you'll get notified every week when I post these videos. Hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.